Hi everyone, here we've got TCL 20 SE and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom in order to tap on the system. Here we've got reset option, so let's tap on it, and at the very first position we've got the option we're looking for. So let's tap on it, and here your device is telling you that it will reset all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So just tap on reset settings. You cannot undo this action. Here we've got the info, so tap on reset settings if you are ready and wait. And as you can see here, we've got the info that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually, that's all. This is how to reset network preferences in your TCL 20 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.